Kum shibinta banwan ra eka shong suk shong shingan bat kajinga suk no haprang ki Nongshong Shnong kathain Sabuda block 2 kathain Khappud ka Meghalaya bat Assam menta kasingi ka arpau trek yoyong arjar arpuat na kalian ki nong yalam Shnong Jong kate kathain Khappud kentuk na Meghalaya bat na Assam kila penlong da kajinga kendu lang ha ka Shnong Sabuda banya kren sngotu jingmut banwan ra eka shong suk shong shingan ha ka kathain Khappud Hakan yang jia kenduk lang na kalian kinong ilam jong kita gitan kila shimru ya karai ban seng no da koi ka Kynhun ka bala ai kerteng ka peace committee ka ban pet ya ka jing shong suk shong sngan hakan ni gatan hakan ni si la jet ru yo ba joblin stand urang ba Shnong jong ka maula snai ban long kumu chairman jong ka ni ka committee bala jet ru yo gyan bahadur chetri urang ba Shnong jong ka umru tu Assam kumu general secretary bat ya ki dukhat ansa jet haki khingiat singi ban sawan Hakba sangut kindai na Assam bat sangut kindai na Jylla Meghalaya. Hakan ni kasi legit ru yo ba joblin stand urang ba Shnong kamala snai ban long kumu chairman jong kan ka committee ba legit ru yo gyan bahadur chetri urang ba Shnong jong ka umru tu Assam kumu general secretary. Ba iki dekhot ansa jet haki khindiat singi giban sawan hakba sangut kindai na Assam bat sangut kindai na Meghalaya. Hakari ka juk singi na kaliang ki bor punya district jong karibhoi bat ka west karbi anglong kila rai ban weng no ekajing pakhang kalet kawan jong ki Nongshong Shnong hakani ka than hakani ka singi lai don lang ru ki noi lam ki bah khmat e jong ki artli ki Seng bhalang na Meghalaya ki pakat thup yo ba sadan bla u president ki HNYF u ba bipul thangki u president ki RBYF lambat ki dekhot ki blai senran lang haringkat ru ki noi lam ba ki dekhot jong ka Seng KSE na Assam
po nakaliang jungi kumka senjuk kinong sensar Shnong jong kamolos na area hadin baladon kani ka jingjia hakini ki sngi baladap no ka jingjia hakaba nakaliang jong bro arliang mamla ki Nepali bat ki khasi ki jungi kadon ka jingya tengku ka jing bom jingya stu jingmut alor jongki kadon ka jingjia kadon ka jing e ka ba nakaliang jungi paiba Nongshong Shnong jungi skani bro area ki tengku jinge nakapor skapor khamtam habide nakabenta kadon ka restriction nakaliang jong ki police jong ka Assam ki bomsha banlej banwan hakaba kinlej ban kamai kaji kilej banlej shim dawai banlej kinu ki kam kimyo banlej takadaw kolong ban nakaliang jong ki kirang ba Shnong gi jungi gi lasngeu bangin don no kaji ya kren stu jumun bad hadin kani kaji kren stu jumun nakaliang jungi kirang ba Shnong ngila persang ban convince si kawai ka meeting da kaba ngini don kawai ka join committee ki Nepali bat mangi khasi nakaliang jungi ki reu rangba jong ka Shnong jong ini ki border area bat kumju ru nakaliang jong ki sarkari kangbura jong ka Assam ngi menta kasngi hang ne po jong Shnong Sabuda ngila poi sa kajing ya kren ya sok abide nakabenta kini ki jingjia bara ka juko poru nakaliang jungi ngila shim ya kene ka sinjam habide nakabenta ban pensngap ya bro arteli ki disi ki in charge jong kamolos nai bat apo Sabuda na Meghalaya bana Assam hiru habide nakabenta kini ki jing e kiba kipai ba Nongshong Shnong ki jungi ki prado ki prasnam jungi ki yatengku tena kaliang jungi hiru ngila kerpat ya baro arteli ki disi.
The main objective of this committee is to maintenance of law and order, and if there is any incident reported, then this committee will coordinate with both the administration, whichever side it happens, and the main objective here is to prevent any issue, any small issue to flare up and becoming into any law and order issues. So that is why this committee at ground level is going to be our main focus to prevent any such situation, to prevent any individual issues, to convert it into community members. So it will ensure a speedy response from the side of the administration and better coordination from both the sides.
So the thing is that whatever is happening in the border, it should not happen again because these are small incidents. It should not scale up. So we need to have the peace and harmony should be here, and that is our earnest request to everyone to resolve and stay peaceful. Thank you. Today there will be a peace committee, and the peace committee from both sides members will be there. 10 members will be there, 5 from Meghalaya side and 5 from Assam side, and they will resolve everything they locally. Then anything escalates, then it will go to the police administration.